Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I begin in the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. May His peace and blessings be upon His final messenger, the mercy to mankind, Muhammad al-Mustafa, and his holy progeny, the Ahl al-Bayt. There's a very beautiful and powerful verse in the Quran, a verse that relates to everyone, and a verse that everyone should memorize and turn to in times of need, in times when you feel alone, in times when you feel like there's no one there for you. Allah says in the Holy Quran, La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana. A very beautiful statement for His creations, the one that He created. He says, do not be sad, for indeed I am with all of you. A reminder for us, and a reminder for everyone that Allah is always there for His creations, no matter what. And to always trust Him because He's always looking out for us. Let's recall the incidents of when Nabi Musa's mother had to put him inside the river, inside the basket, inside the river. She was worried. She did not know how she could do this. How can a mother put her child inside the river? And Allah says, do not worry. Allah understood her emotional state at that time. Allah understood that she's worried. Allah knows. Allah created us. Allah knows when sometimes you are worried, you fear, you have anxiety. These are normal instances that happen to you, to everyone. Allah says, do not worry. Allah gave her a promise. He says, do not worry. We will return him back to you as a messenger. And what happened? The mother that put her child in a basket inside the river, not knowing what's going to happen, he came back to her as the messenger of God. And later on, the king of the people of Egypt. SubhanAllah. Likewise, when we look at the story of Nabi Yusuf alayhi salam, when his brothers put him inside that well, Nabi Yusuf at that time did not know what was going to happen, but he had trust in Allah's plan. He knew Allah would take care of him. That young boy that was stuck inside the well with no hope, but he had trust in Allah, later on became the king of Egypt. When Nabi Musa and his companions were being chased by the Pharaoh, what happens? They ended up at the edge of the river with his back turned to the river and Pharaoh's army approaching him. People would have no hope, but he had hope in Allah. And what happened? Allah split the seas for Nabi Musa at that time. When the same God that split the seas for Nabi Musa saved Nabi Yusuf from the well, saved the baby Nabi Musa and turned him into a king, is the same God that tells all of us, La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana. That do not be sad, I am with you at all times and I'm always taking care of you. So remember this, every time that you're in need, every time you feel like there is no hope out there for you, remember you are the creation of Allah and Allah is always looking out for you. La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana.